We got AAA over here towing the car to the shop so we can get this bad boy on the lift and get this transmission in. Man, look at that thing. Look at that thing. What a beauty. What a beauty, yeah. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, so we're on our way to my boy Ray's shop, and we're gonna get this transmission and clutch and everything all installed. Here is the clutch right here. Boom. There's everything we need. We got all of our washers right here. Everything all counted out. Lock washers, spacers, nuts. There's one clutch, the other one's in here. Flywheel, billet flywheel's ready to go, all balanced up, and we're gonna get that installed today. I decided not to do it laying on my back. Yeah, so as you can see, we got the beast over here. We're gonna get it over to the lift. We're gonna get this thing jacked up in the air, get that transmission and that clutch installed. My homeboy's gonna give me a hand with it, so come on, let's do it. I ain't trying to make no excuses, but dude, I'm working 16-hour shifts right now. I have no time to complete this laying down on my back and doing this transmission on my back. Man, I'm getting old, I'm out of shape. So that's the reason why we're headed down to the shop to get this baby on a lift. So let's go. There's my baby. We're just following my baby. I ain't seen this thing, has been out the garage for the last 9 months. There it is. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Transmission, here we come. We're gonna have the transmission and that RTX 1200 all lined up in there, man. I'm juiced. Can't wait. Man, I've been waiting for this freaking moment for so long. We're almost to the finish line, guys. After this transmission goes in, we're like 90% there. No, I'll say 85% there. This is a big piece of the puzzle here. I'll see you in a second. There it is. It'll just touch a little bit. You got a little 2x4?
Yep.
Shined to perfection. So while it was driving, I seen this motor freaking teeter-tottering back and forth. Once this transmission gets strapped down to this car, it's gonna lock everything in place, and then I'm gonna take it back home, start plugging everything in, all the odds and ends, all the little plugs that you see hanging out. They're gonna get all plugged in, dialed in, and yeah, we'll go from there. Get this baby down to the freaking the tuner, GP tuning. Get all lined up. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It almost looks like it actually has an engine. Right on. Woohoo! It's a beauty, huh?
Yeah, man, that's nice.
I've been working hard on this thing for a while.
You can do that.
Well, no, the hood's wrapped.
Is it?
Yeah.
Just a wrap, huh?
Remember, it's the hood is completely wrapped, not black. It's wrapped in this color.
Oh, is it?
In the
What was the other hood?
Roaring Thunder, the other hood. Oh, that was a stock Hellcat hood.
Oh, is it that?
Yeah, that's a stock Hellcat hood. All right.
No, I don't think I got looked at.
No worries.
My number.
We are up on the lift. We got it up. We're gonna get this baby dialed in. I'm gonna go unload the transmission from the truck. I got the transmission and the clutch in the truck, and then we're gonna get this bad boy up in the air.
Yep, here we
The
go.
man, the myth, the legend, Ray, making it happen. Here we go.
Set. You good?
Good. I just had a warning that I was coming down. So,
Okay.
all right.
Thank you.
You enjoy your beauty, okay?
Thank you. You too.
And
Yeah.
as my daughter says, live a little.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. It makes you feel like you're alive.
That's it. All right.
Thank you, Melissa.
See you
bet.
tomorrow.
Yep.
And if tomorrow doesn't work out, you just let me know. Because remember, we're in the boat going downstream. We're not paddling up, okay?
There you go.
We'll be out of here. We'll have it out this afternoon.
Okay. Thank you. Tom will be happy because he took the day off, so he's going to go golf now.
Well, good for him.
Because I had his golf bag.
Thank you for your patience.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I made a big mistake. I forgot to bring the driveline and the hardware for the driveline. So now I got to go in the garage, get the two-piece driveline, which is probably not going to survive very long, the hardware for it, and get back to the shop. So I'm here now. I'm going to gather that stuff. Then I'm going to head back to the shop and put this thing together. Guys, we have hit a milestone for this thing. I mean, man, I'm really excited about this. This car hasn't left the garage for, man, I want to say a good 9 months. So this is a huge piece to this puzzle. Motors in, all the electronics and stuff like that for the engine bay side of it is in. The transmission and driveline and clutch, dude, that's like a huge part of this build right here. Once we get that thing in there, I mean, all we got left is the fuel system and the headers. That's it. Then we can freaking fire this baby up. I talked to Jason in Roanoke Park. He's going to give me, I already have a tune for the car, right? For the old tune. And we're just going to enter in the new injector dynamics that we are using, their data for those injectors. And we'll be able to fire this thing up, do a first start right here at the house or wherever the car may be. Fire it up, let it heat cycle, check for leaks, check for anything that we're missing. And, dude, I mean, we're there, man. We are there. I am happy. I'm happy. I'm juiced about this. man, we have come a long way with this car, and I'm just happy. I'm excited about it, and I can't wait to get it out there, get it back on the street, drive it, and just freaking enjoy it. Enjoy those new Brom racing seats and that new LME motor, and just freaking chill. Just ride it and enjoy it. Just feel the breeze. So, man, yeah, like I said, this is a big milestone. So cross your fingers, everything goes right. Driveline, hardware, get back to the shop, install the driveline, install the transmission, and we back in business, baby. All right, here we go. All right, so we got the driveline in, as you can see, all dialed in, ready to go. Boom. So this definitely needs to be replaced. I don't know. I hope that it lasts through the dyno, but I know that it could freaking break it at any moment. So we need to get a solid one in there from the drive shaft shop. But yeah, everything looks good here. We got the transmission in. I did notice that we got a couple of freaking plastic cover plates at home. I need to get those up in there. As you can see, we don't want a rock flying up in there. So otherwise than that, I was looking at the work here. There's the starter. Everything looks like it's lining up pretty well. See where the header goes. We could put these headers in. Probably push that thing out the way a little bit. Yeah, get these headers down here and make this thing happen. Got the other side. There's the other header. Or I mean, where the headers go. We got our O2s right here, the ones that we're gonna use. And yeah, so it looks good. Very good, we're all done. Got it dialed in, another piece of the puzzle done. Looking up here, so these lines right here are kind of touching they're touching this. See this freaking, the pulley, you can hear them touching. So I might have to get some type of zip tie them down to this bar right here or something, just to hold them out of the way, because those babies are rubbing for sure. Okay, all right, man, look at that thing. There it is. So otherwise than that, it looks pretty good. Yeah, this is a plug for up there. Okay, yeah, all right, so there it is, all done, ready to come home. Let's get this bad boy home, back into the garage, and then we'll go from there. Man, look at that bad boy. Look at that. That's something you don't see every day. That's like your motor, your Nova, Ray. That's just something you don't see every day. Man. What a beaut. Look at that. Don't forget it, guys. LME. Check them out. Go get yourself a motor from them. Go spend 20 racks. love that color shift. So we're going home now. We got the tow truck here, trying to get this bad boy home. Man, this thing is a beauty. Look at the color shift. Watch the color shift. Woo! We got the blues in. Yep, it's working. It's a working. Ray, you know, you're a smart mofo.
Okay, so hold on.
Oh!
We don't want it to just drop. We're going to get some wood behind it. Go a little more. A little more. Come on.
Oh!
That's good. All right.
We are here now
At least.
at the garage.
I'll tell you something. At least you got I think that was your wife, right?
Yeah.
See, at least you have a wife that actually say, okay, you can have as much cars as you want.